Welcome, and follow me using Nokia 6.1, and today I will show you how to go through the setup process of this device. So once you turn it on, you will be presented with the welcome screen, which as you can see is in a different language at the moment, so you can choose your desired language right here by tapping on the existing one, and then from a list choose the one that you like. So I'm just gonna find English, which is right at the top, and then choose what region, doesn't really matter. And then let's tap on let's go to proceed on. Now we can insert a SIM card. You don't really need to, you can skip it and do that later. And if the device is locked or was previously locked and got reset, you will need to connect to Wi-Fi to basically verify the account. But if it wasn't, you can, as you can see, skip it right here. I'm just gonna tap on one, connect to it. Now this one isn't protected by any password, so I can just tap on it and automatically connect, but yours probably will have a password, so we'll need to put that in. Give it a moment, it's looking for updates. Once I connected to the internet. Okay. Then you have copy data, apps and data. Basically you can copy something from a previous device. Now I don't have a device, but if I would just tap on next and then select what I want. I'm just gonna say don't copy. Then you get the Google account sign in. You can also skip this, assuming there was no previous Google account that you will need to verify. If you like to skip it, just tap on it. Now if you want to use App Store and stuff like that, you will need to sign into it anyway, so you might as well do it right now. I'm gonna do that. And then put in the password. So I'm just gonna do that. Then tap on next and you'll see the screen, and you basically need to tap on I agree to the terms of service of Google. Then you can choose to enable backup to Google Drive or not. You can just flip it on or off, however you like it. You have a couple other things, localizations and stuff like that. Mind you, most of these things, even if you disable them, you can enable them later on if you wish to. And then you have the unlock finger, so you can add a fingerprints to the scanner, which is on the back. I'm gonna do this. So set up screen lock, and you get a choice of other way of unlocking it apart from the fingerprints. So you will need to choose one, either pattern, pin, or password. I'm gonna choose pattern, and I'm gonna draw the pattern. Then once more, confirm. And then I get to tap my finger on the back where the scanner is, which is right here under the camera, as you can see, this thing. So just start pressing your finger on there. Then you can also tap on add another one if you like to add, for instance, a different finger on there, or the same one for a better scan chance. You can also rename the one that you just added so you know which finger it was if you wish to later on remove it. I'm just gonna tap on done to finish the process. Then tap on continue. You can use the voice assistants or not. I'm just gonna say no thanks. Pay fast, skip. Anything else? As you can see, you have other things too that you can add here. Add another fingerprint, which you just skipped, email, change wallpaper and stuff like that. I'm just gonna say no thanks just to finish the process. Okay, let's go. As you can see, we are now in the device. Okay, so that is basically how you would go through the setup process of this device. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.